Hello, welcome back. This is your CISA coach. Let's conquer CISA together, shall we? All right, let's see today's question. Question goes like this. Which term refers to the process of identifying vulnerabilities and threats, evaluating their potential impact, and determining the need for appropriate security controls? Information management, risk analysis, countermeasure selection, and classification controls. Which one is it? Well, right. Let's wait for you to guess. Couple of seconds, and then we'll discuss the answers. All right. What was your guess? If it was information management, you are probably not right. Let's see whether it is right or wrong. No, it's not. Information management deals with how information is stored, used, shared, governed, etc. But it doesn't talk about identifying threats or determining security safeguards. Now, if your guess was regarding this countermeasure selection, again, it's wrong because countermeasure selection happens after risk analysis. So it involves choosing specific controls. But the question is talking about identifying and assessing kind of threats, not about controls, right? So this is definitely not the right answer. What about classification controls? Classification controls again is not correct because classification controls help to categorize data in terms of public, confidential, private, secret, and so on based on the sensitivity of the data. So this is a subset of security, but it's not really the right answer in this context. So not only by process of elimination, but also because it is right, and I'll explain why. Risk analysis is the right answer. Risk analysis is the formal process used to identify threats, vulnerabilities, likelihood, and business impact, and then determine what level of risk exists and what kind of controls need to be implemented. So that's why risk analysis is the right answer. I hope you got it right. Like, subscribe, and share. If you like this content, if you feel this is adding value to you, please do share it with your friends, and come back, subscribe to the channel because there's a lot of things that I am going to post, so you will always be in the know. The minute I post it, you will get to know. So please do subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.